Don't you hate it when people ask you to subscribe before you've even watched the video or ever even seen one of their videos? Have some class, people. So this next video I've been working on since August 26th last year, and it's in 4 distinct parts. I put chapter markers down below so that you can skip over something if it's a boring part. So the first part is quick clips of each person's ride along, followed by me going out by myself to finish off the brake pads, followed by the breaking news segment, and that's been edited down. I'll put a link to the full version down in the description. And then we do changing the brake pads in the paddock and then back out on the track. Tell me what parts you like the best and what you'd like to see next.
Liftoff.
Probably.
We have a liftoff.
Breaking news out of Portland, Oregon tonight, and it's probably not what you're thinking. No, this time it's about a dim-witted brake abuser known as Kent Breakwell, a man who possesses neither the intelligence nor the self-control required for the position. So it should come as no surprise when I tell you that a harrowing incident occurred at Portland International Raceway today. It happened this afternoon when driver Kent Breakwell discovered that his brakes took a break of their own. When asked to comment on the incident, Kent had this to say. Alright, so we had some minor brake performance issues on that last run. And it looks like it's lack of pad material. It's the principal cause. Yeah, there's no pad left. That's why my brakes suddenly faded. Well, I guess that could be a problem. When we confronted Mr. Breakwell on how he could allow something as critical as brake pads to literally be worn down to nothing, he had this to say. I do that to all my pads. That is absolutely repugnant. And turning now to our automotive enthusiast correspondent, Max Throttle. Any self-respecting car enthusiast knows about or is now logging into the Free Rides at Racetracks page on Facebook, where ordinary citizens can hook up with Kent to go really fast. That's where subscriber Logan Clark went so that he could experience this earlier today. Anonymous sources report that Blue Streak was filling in for Sparky S2K, who was out with a bad case of Carvid, ostensibly because he failed to get vaccinated against the Corolla virus. But scary times were in store for driver Kent Breakwell on his solo run. It was here in the braking zone at the fastest part of the track where Kent discovered that one of his brake pads had ascended the stairway to heaven. Car balance was destroyed and aggressive countersteering was required to maintain control, but Mr. Breakwell's heroic efforts managed to preserve our precious mascot, Blue Streak. For XRS News, I'm Max Throttle. Up next, a completely unrelated weather event surprises and baffles scientists as a brake dust storm settles on northeast Portland. Yeah, there's no pad left. That's why my brakes suddenly faded. Jeez. There's plenty of pad left on this one, though. Plenty. All right. Well, those ones. Backup used track pads.
Oh, is that what they are?
Yeah, look.
Oh.
It's like, okay, I put on new ones and then... So I got brand new pads right now, but I can't use them because they have to be broken in. Ow! Oh my god, this thing is so hot, dude. Oh my gosh. Ow.
If I had my gloves, I would totally let you use them. I don't know where my gloves went. I lost them.
Well, I'm wearing gloves.
Well, I mean, thick gloves that aren't those.
I have to be able to feel what I'm doing, though. Thanks for the offer.
Yeah. Gloves that are, make it easier for heat.
There we go. Nice thick pads there. At least this one. Very thick. Thick with two C's. You know what I'm saying? He's got to figure it out. It's easier to do that. This is faster with a crescent wrench, but I left it at home.
Oh, can't get it on.
I just have to compress the cylinder a little.
You lost your little,
My little rubber boot.
It's about not censoring our art. It's about
protection. It's about diplomacy.
This is not about diplomacy. This is about dignity. This is about respect.
Okay, we're still good. Alright, please slip over. Ow, ow, ow! Frick! Alright, I just need to get the wrench. This is long enough. some jury rigging.
Rednecking it?
Hot?
Rednecking it?
Monkey wrenching it. Ow. Man, every time I touch this thing. Ow. Ow. Oh, my thumb. Ow. It's still burning.
Here, one sec.
Yes. Ow. I got it.
Oh. It's coming in with the...
You almost rescued me.
with a shirt that has stains on it. I don't know where they came from.
Eat in front of a mirror, you'll figure it out.
What?
Eat in front of a mirror, you might figure it out.
Well, I tried.
Thank you.
I tried to be helpful.
Very appreciated. Well, I'm gonna have to go drive this thing some more to cool it down. Like, this is still screaming hot.
So you just have to drive it normal? Is that what you're...
Yeah, get some wind on it.
Okay. Maybe you should make some brake inductions on this.
Yes, that would help it a lot.
Probably a good idea.
Well, I'm kind of done modding this car, frankly.
Hey, you want to trade?
I don't want to start modding yours.
No, I'll just take this one off your hands. I'll drive this.
That's a
You
pretty.
can drive the accent.
That's championship right there.
That's just crazy how bad that one was.
I do that to all my pads.
I mean, yeah, I know. But that's the first time I think that's the first time I've seen one of those pads. Well, that makes sense why you lost your braking.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.